Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna unbox a box that I just got from Tipsy Magnolia. Now I have cut it open just so I don't slice and dice my fingers on camera, but I have not looked to see what is inside. They told me that they were sending some goodies for not only me but my followers, so let's see what's inside. Now, I did a review on Tipsy Magnolia Tumblers way back, where we went over all of the plumps, the True 32, the True 22, all their coolsies. Gosh, they have so many cups, it's hard to even keep up with, but it is also really awesome for you guys because it gives you tons of options to offer your customers, especially if you're doing customs. So you can just give your customers a lineup of tumblers that they can choose for their custom tumbler. Let's see. Okay. So this is our 10% off code. You guys know this code. I post it in all of my videos and my tutorials. But our group code for Tipsy Magnolia is Brittany 10. And there's actually, it says some gift cards back here. So let me just hide the codes. 1, 2, 3. We have 10 gift cards to give away. So let's see how we can do this. Okay. Did I say 10 gift cards to give away? What did I say? I don't even know. We have 3 gift cards to give away. They are $10 a piece. So how we are going to do this is comment down below if you have tried Tipsy Magnolia, or it used to be the Steel Magnolia. If you have tried tumblers from them before, comment down below what your favorite tumbler is. If you haven't tried them, let me know what you want to try if you win a gift card. Okay? And then I'll pick 3 people. Just make sure you are part of the Brittany Barnes Boutique Facebook group so I can announce the winners, because it doesn't really give really good notifications on YouTube, I don't think. So let's see, this is a 24-ounce plump. Oh, we just did one of these recently. This is a Color Shift 24-ounce plump, and I'm gonna double check this invoice to make sure that Color Shift, that I'm telling y'all all the names right. This is a Color Shift 24-ounce plump. They have an entire line of these. Plumps are my absolute favorite. There's 16, 24, and 32, but these also, or their other style tumblers also come in Color Shift. Let me grab, so if you didn't see one of our most recent tutorials, this is a tumbler that I made with a 24-ounce Color Shift. It turned out incredible. I used some micas that kind of worked with the Color Shift, and also used some chunky glitter. I didn't want to cover that Color Shift up, so I left it open here in the middle, and it all tied together so nicely. So it's really awesome that it's, for one, it's already prepped for you, and 2, it's already painted with a really cool Color Shift to it. So we have our Color Shift 24-ounce, and this is the black prepped 24-ounce. Now, you have seen me use the white prepped 24-ounce tumblers before, and I will get one of those as well. Let's see. Uh-oh. Found one. Okay, so here is a white prepped 24-ounce plump, and they now also offer a black prepped option. black spray paint is awful, so this is awesome. Actually, black and white spray paint is awful to work with, so it's awesome that they offered these. This is a good dark base for any dark glitter that you want to work with, and a light base for light glitters. Let's see. I know this one. This is a Big Betty. Almost positive. Yes. So this is a Big Betty 2.0. This is their version of the popular 40-ounce tumbler. And I'm not going to lie, I would choose this one any day over the popular one. Because, I'm just throwing stuff on the floor, y'all. The handles are smooth and they are removable so that you can do your design exactly how you want. Have the top, and you can also interchange the handles and the lids per your design. So these lids come in a ton of different colors. So all you have to do is have some black bases on hand and then grab some handles and lids to have in your collection for your customers. And you can give them an option of what handle and lid color that they would like to go on their big 40-ounce tumbler. And of course, anytime you get handles, you get the replacement screws as well. This is, let's see, ooh, powder coated. And I'm glad I have this right here. So they also have a powder coated line. This is the pink. These are great if you want to have a colored base. Now, there is a little lip here at the top. There's not on this one. But these are great if you have a laser. You can etch designs in them, or you can use them for rhinestoning. So if you have, let's say, UV-DTF stickers, those are permanent stickers. So you can place your UV-DTF on the powder base coat and then go leave it as is, or you can go over that with some rhinestones. So these are really good bases as well for rhinestoning, for etching designs with a laser, or if you wanted to just put some UV DTFs on here. And then there's a ton of colors in those as well. And I forgot to mention, this is a Little Tipsy. And then this is a 24-ounce. This, I believe, is the new handled 24-ounce plump. Yes! Oh, for so long, we have been putting handles on our plumps, and they heard us, and they went ahead and put some handles on there for us. Love it. I have a cup. I did have a cup somewhere in here that I attached a handle to using a mold. But now it is already done for us. So let's see, we have the handled 24-ounce plump, our powder coated tumblers, our Big Betties 2.0 with tons of color lid options, our prepped black tumbler. Let's not forget about the white that they have had for a very long time. And then our Color Shift collection. This one is a 24-ounce plump. Now, since I have y'all, and I know that there's a couple more things that they have come out with since my last video, they do have acrylic tumblers now. This is one of their acrylic styles. And let's see. So here is one of the little Tipsies that's in the color shift color. And then this is also a double wall glass snow globe. This looks like it might be 4 ounces instead of 2, so it's a little bit bigger than our 2-ounce cups, or 2-ounce little Tipsies. It may be 3, I'm not 100% certain. They also have these snow globes. They come with, and they do have different lid options, and they come with the matching straw. So definitely, if you haven't been to the Tipsy Magnolia website in quite a while, go check them out because they have added so many new tumbler styles over the last few months. They are ever changing and adding some new styles because they want to offer the broadest collection possible for you guys. And that is all, I believe. If you have any questions about tutorials that maybe I have used some of these cups in, I really need to get better about using different styles than just the plumps. The plumps are my favorite, but I do need to throw some Big Betties in there, and I need to work with a true, I lost my train of thought. I need to work with like their morning mugs and true 22s. I do. I really need to. So, if y'all have any questions about anything from Tipsy, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to let me know what your favorite tumbler is so we can give away our gift cards. And make sure that you are part of the Brittany Barnes Boutique Tumbler Art Group on Facebook because that is where I will do the announcement. And that is all. Thank you all so much, and we'll see you next time.